1, 2, 3. Oh, you know to pronounce these numbers in English. Great. Now let us learn to pronounce the same numbers in French. So today I am here with a topic les nombres, which means the numbers, and we are going to learn the pronunciations of the numbers 0 to 10 in French. Les nombres, which means the numbers. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 is now written same as it is written in English, but the pronunciation is different. 7. Now here, instead of pronouncing the P, we pronounce the T. So it is not sep, but it is set. 8, 9, 10. Hi, if you like this video, please like, comment and subscribe to our channel Pyramid KidZone. If you have any suggestions, queries, or if you wish to learn on a particular topic, feel free to comment or DM us. Also, don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you. Bye. Until next time.